Yo, 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 what's going on, YouTube? What's going on? So I don't really do this often, guys. So, I'm not one of those professional YouTubers or whatever, but I thought this would be pretty fun to do. So, today I am doing the iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. And straight out of the Verizon bag, this is what it looks like. I got the gold, by the way. So we got the gold iPhone, excuse the mess, on my desk. It is a work area and it reflects that. There we go. I got the 256 gigs, yada, yada, yada. iPhone, got an Apple logo. Probably going to see Apple logos forever now because this is my first iPhone with service, guys. So I had one way back in the day, an iPhone 3, used it for music and whatnot, but never really had an iPhone. So here it is. Really sleek box, and now we're gonna do the unboxing. Sorry about that, folks. I'm kind of new to YouTube, so this is my second clip actually. But anyway, this is the iPhone 11 Pro, guys. My first iPhone. Had one way back, like an iPhone 3 that I used to play with, a 3GS, but I never had service with it. But it's my first iPhone. I got gold. You can see Apple logos everywhere. Very sleek box, of course. iPhone, man, really excited. It's my first video in a long time. Excuse the mess on my desk. It's a desk and it's made for work, and that's what it reflects. Anyway, so let's get this thing open. I like that I got new technology to open the boxes now. You just pull this little tab here and it just peels the entire back plastic off. I don't even need a knife or anything. Beautiful. Look at that. And it goes all the way around, guys. Wow. I've never seen something like this before. You literally just peel the thing off. Like, that's cool. That is cool. All right, plastic off the case. Very sleek. It's got that new phone smell. Yep, new phone smell. Cool box. And anyway, let's get to the part you guys are wondering about. So that's just the box, blah, blah, blah. Let's open this up. It's a slide out. We got some slidage action going on. Anyway, and there it is, guys. The thing that people are raving about, killing each other about. Wonderful piece of technology here, and it's almost a work of art. You gotta love the way that they make their phones. Even though I kind of still am an Android fanboy. Like I said, this is my first phone, so I haven't even used it yet. But reading about it is one of the best pieces of technology made to date. So it's a really nice slide out tab here. You just go ahead and slide it out the box. Just pick it up. Real lightweight, folks. Has a good feel to it. My favorite color is gold, so I'm going to be very happy about this. I kind of scared about putting a case on it to block the gold. I might just go with a clear case, you know how they do. And there it is, guys. Designed by Apple in California. Cool. Who else designed it? You know what I mean? Like, of course it's designed by Apple.
Of course!
That's what I'm expecting. And it comes with a pair of headphones. Now, this guy's like, you gotta really value headphones, okay? Because not a lot of people give you headphones with their phone. I am actually switching from Figures Wireless, and sure enough, they actually gave a pair of headphones with their phone, and it was pretty cool. And it wasn't like one of their flagship phones. It was kind of like the transfer phone or the free phone like you get. By the way, don't bother wasting your time using the free phone for Figures. But anyway, they did throw in a pair of Samsung headphones, and obviously, since this is an iPhone, we have a pair of the infamous iPhone headphones that everyone has. And nothing special there. They're iPhone headphones, guys. So it's good to have a pair of headphones, like backup or whatever to use whenever. I actually have a pair of Raycons on the way, so these are backup. Paperwork. I'm not going to open this right now. We got our adapter. The wires. Now I'm officially a Lightning charger user. Man, the Android switch is real, guys. Like, I'm still kind of feeling the pressure of switching. Oh, is this Type-C? hold on, folks. It is Type-C. I didn't know because obviously I don't know what's going on in iPhone world, but apparently they're using Type-C as well. Really cool. I thought that's what that was. My Galaxy S8 Plus that I am switching from, which I am recording on, also uses a Type-C. And Apple keeps it really simple, y'all. That's it. That's all that's in the box. That was actually one of the most pleasant unboxing experiences I've ever had. It was clean. There was nothing like, I don't know, like, it was just satisfying to me. And bam, I'll just have that in the background. Put my computer up. Okay, well, let's see what we can do with this bad boy, huh? Take the plastic off. Probably shouldn't have done that until I was ready to use the phone. Fingerprints, here I come. I literally don't know how to get this thing on. Team iPhone. Oh, by the way, guys, let me just want to holler at something real quick. So this gold, even though it's a really like matte type of finish on the back, I know you guys can't see it really well. Let me see if I can get some better lighting. You see that kind of matte? Man, I should have used my flash here. But now on the sides, you have this really shiny gold trim, okay? Really cool. It's like a mirror gloss kind of finish. And I really like that. It gives it some depth, right? Really cool. You got your speaker holes right here. Really well built. You got 2 screws on either side. I really like that. It's just a solid phone, you know, the whole thing is sealed. Okay. You know, you got your volume button there. You guys can see it. And yeah, man, piece of art right here. All clean, all clean. Look at that. Anyway. All right, guys, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the video here. This was just a simple unboxing video. You've seen everything that comes out the box, and you know, just stay tuned for a another video about my time with it, and you know how it's treating me. I'm expecting good things. You know, I'm not gonna say, oh, just because I was Android, you know, it's gonna be a terrible phone. No, technology is technology, and I'm a technologist first, and you know, I value what they've done with this phone, and I'm looking forward to reaping the benefits, especially our triple camera display here. You know what I mean? They got some gloss around it too. But one thing, if you guys don't know, guys, is that when you take a photo, it actually is able to take 3 photos simultaneously, and it uses the A13 processor and pretty much just combines them to one. So you take a photo, it takes 3 photos, but you look at your photo to see how it came out. You see 1 photo because it took the best parts of all 3 of those photos and merged them into one. Mind-blowing, right?
Of course!
Come on, guys. I mean, no other phone, to my knowledge, has that capability yet. So I'm glad I got the triple camera option. So I'm expecting my photos to be bomb.com.
Bomb.com.
Anyway, that's all, guys. You know, stay blessed, stay cool, and until next time, peace.